the reason why I hate 720.
I hate 720s. I hate 720s. I hate 720s.
YouTube, what up man, it's your boy Wavy Crockett, and today I'm gonna let you guys know why I hate having 720 waves. Normally I give you guys videos showing how I brush, showing you the great things about 720 waves, showing you what products I like to use, why I like 720 waves, but today we're gonna get into that reason why I hate 720 waves, man. So let's get into it. Alright YouTube, so number one is the shift, man. Like 720 waves, your pattern shifts all the time. Like you could be brushing it the same exact way all the time and it still shifts. Like it's crazy how much your pattern shifts. Number two is the ripple stage. So when you first start your pattern, you know, you have ripples, and you know, with 360s, the ripples, you can tell, oh, it's cool, you know, oh, they got 360s, you can tell they're going straight down. But when you got 720s, your ripples is going all over the place. So you looking like you got some Tootsie Rolls in your head. Like it looks stupid, like crazy. So I hate the ripple stage of 720 waves. Another reason why I hate 720 waves is the tapers, man. Like no doubt about it. It's tough, especially the left side for me. It's real difficult because my waves are going like this, and I'm trying to, you know, get the right angles, because you can easily go too far back. You can easily go too far back. Now with the right side, since it's going straight down, it's simple. You know, you're doing your guidelines and doing everything. It's easy. It depends on what 720 waves you have. Also, if you have full verticals, that's even more difficult probably to taper your 720 wave. Me, the left side of my 720s is the hardest to taper. Another reason why I don't like 720 waves, man, is definitely the lineups. And barbers can definitely jack you up if you have 720 waves. I remember one time, man, I went to the barber and told him like, hey, I want you to take down my edges to about a 1.5 and then line it up, because I was deep woofing and I wanted my lineup to look crispy. But he didn't go with the grain. He just assumed that, oh, I can just get to the edge and go straight down like 360s, and he scalped me. He basically took my line all the way back because he didn't go with the grain. So that's another thing, man. You always have to figure out, you know, going with the grain of your pattern, because if you don't, you will plug yourself, man. Like, so I recommend cutting your own hair and doing that, because if you go to the barber most of the time, well, I'm not gonna say all barbers don't listen, but some of them don't listen, man. They're trying to get you in and out of that chair. So you gotta basically get you a barber that's gonna listen, and especially when you got 720. All right, YouTube, so the last reason why I don't like 720 waves is the angles, man. I counted out all the angles that I have to do when I'm brushing, and it's 10 angles. Like I have 10 angles, and that's counting my crown. So I really think that's the reason why a lot of people give up on 720 waves early, because they're like, man, this is doing too much. I remember I was on my live stream brushing, and one of my subscribers was like, bruh, you are doing way too much. Like, how many angles do you have? And I really had to sit down and count it, and I was like, dang, I am, you know, doing a lot though, you know, because when I'm brushing, you know, I have to put the mirror this way, and then I have to look and go this way, make sure I'm not overlapping. But, you know, it's just a lot of work, man. So that's another reason why I don't like 720s. It's a lot of angles. All right, YouTube, so those are the reasons why I don't like 720 waves. Y'all already know, man. Like, subscribe. I'm about to unrag, let you guys see my 720 waves. Let you see that transition that I've been working on. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned for that. Let's get into it.